are letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G. O, G are letters. This is a 3-letter A, 1 B, C, D, 3-letter E's, 1 F, 1 G, 1 H, 1 I, 1 J, 1 K, 1 L, 1 M. This is 2-letter N's. 2 O's, 1 P, 1 Q, 2-letter R's, 2 S, becomes 2 T's, 1 U, V, W, X, Y, Z are letters. Okay, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.